Hello friends, today I have idea to record a small video. Many person contact me for how to test in keyboard with Enit SIO programmer. See, this is the Acer laptop. Now I show you this laptop. Main problem is not turning on. Okay, this model on off switch in the keyboard. Now I show you my DC power supply. I give power and try to on it with keyboard switch. This side have the keyboard switch. I press it. It is not turning on. See friend, my DC power supply. See, it's not turning on. Now we can do one thing. This Acer have testing switch. Okay, now I short it. See friend, what happened? Machine is turning on. Now we can check the display. Friend, display is coming. I am 100% sure keyboard is problem. Okay. Now what we want to do? Firstly, we want to replace this new keyboard and we want to confirm this keyboard is faulty. For these cases, we can use our Enit SIO programmer. See friend, this is Enit SIO programmer. How we check in the keyboard with SIO programmer. Friends, this is the new keyboard and this is our SIO programmer. Now we can check how to we do it. Firstly, you want to connect SIO programmer to our machine. Is a USB cable. See, machine is connected. Now open your chip to boost application. See, comport 3. This is the item and select the hex file ENE file. This is my Enit folder. Select it, all file. This is ENE EDID KB hex. Load it. Connect to bootloader. Connect it. Now program flash. Software is uploading. See, this is done. Start application. Friends, open Enit SIO programmer and select keyboard testing and select. This is the keyboard testing window. Now see this programmer. It have 1 millimeter, 0.8, 0.5. Okay. See this keyboard. This keyboard have 1 millimeter gap. Okay. Also, I plug it to this 1 millimeter socket. See, tight it. See, friend. Now we can check keyboard one by one. Click start scan. Now I click escape. See what happened. I think you can hear the beep sound. See, press all keys in this keyboard. See, this all pointer marked, especially this on off switch, this keyboard. Check it again. Give me pen. Yeah, now we can check. See friend, all keys are working. But think about any key, press again and again. See this type. I hope to backspace key long press. See what happened. Ah, this is the identify how to fault keyboard. Again and again non-stop beep sound coming. But working keyboard only you press in beep sound come. Non-stop cases again I show you. See backspace I hope to pull press. Okay. See now friend, I think you can understand. After I removing this motherboard from the casing, I will show you this faulty keyboard. What happened with any TestIO programmer. Friends, now I connect our old laptop motherboard keyboard to any TestIO programmer. Now we can check what happened. Open keyboard testing, select. See now I press start scan. See friend, I just open it and this time see friend, escape. This one key working. Okay, now we can check. See F11 not working, F12 not working, this key working. Especially we want our on off switch. See it is not working. This is the we can 100% confirm our this laptop keyboard is not working. Okay, you can very helpful tool for this Enit SIO programmer for this checking. Okay friends, I think you are learn about anything about this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.